Did you know your pop-up camper can stay powered off-grid for days with just the right solar panel? If you're tired of dead batteries cutting adventure short, this video is your game changer. Welcome to the channel. Let's uncover the top 5 solar panels for pop-up campers, linked below for your convenience. The number 5 product on our list is SOLUPUP Solar Panel. Ever imagine charging your pop-up camper power station in just 4 hours with pure sunlight? The SOLUP 200-watt solar panel makes that dream real. Featured in our top 5 solar panel for pop-up camper charging list, this panel combines a sleek, foldable design with 24% efficiency, meaning more power in less time. From phones and drones to full-size power stations, its Type-C and USB-A ports cover it all. It's waterproof, heat-resistant, and folds like a briefcase for effortless travel. The included MC4 adapter kit matches nearly all major brands like Jackery and Bluetti, adding serious flexibility. It's a little heavy for backpacking, but perfect for campers needing reliability and performance. If you want real peace of mind on the road, this one's a smart field-tested choice worth every penny. Number 4 is DOKIO Solar Panel. Need a 300-watt solar panel that folds like a briefcase and weighs less than your weekend backpack? The DOKIO Solar Panel delivers just that, and it's a solid pick in our top 5 solar panel for pop-up camper charging lineup. Perfect for campers tired of bulky gear, this panel is ultra-thin, lightweight, and ready to use right out of the box. It charges 12-volt batteries and pairs seamlessly with Jackery, EcoFlow, and other major stations, solving the struggle of powering up off-grid. The 9.85-foot cable gives you placement freedom, while built-in protections offer peace of mind. It's ideal for travel trailers, boats, and emergencies alike. If you want high efficiency, portability, and simplicity, DOKIO is the no-fuss solution that actually performs. Smart, compact, and surprisingly powerful. The third one on our list is Eco-Worthy Solar Panel. Imagine turning sunlight into real daily freedom. Eco-Worthy's 100-watt solar panel makes that a reality for pop-up camper owners chasing off-grid serenity. With 23% efficiency backed by advanced perk tech, it squeezes every drop of energy from the sun, giving around 400 watt-hours a day. That's peace of mind when power is scarce. Many folks struggle with bulky, short time-lived panels. This one's a durable beast, built with tempered glass and a weather-resistant frame that's tested for long-haul comfort. Compared to others in the top 5 solar panel for pop-up camper charging, Eco-Worthy stands out for its real-world reliability, effortless mounting, and compatibility with most 12V setups. It's not just a product. It's a smart move for anyone serious about sustainable adventure. You want lasting power without overcomplication? This is your go-to. Just don't expect flashy extras. This one's all about dependable performance. And number 2 is ALLPOWERS Solar Panel. Most campers struggle with bulky panels that barely deliver, but the ALLPOWERS 200-watt foldable solar panel flips that script with serious punch and practical design. Tipping the scale at just under 14 pounds, this powerhouse delivers up to 22% efficiency, charging faster while staying 1/3 lighter than standard silicon panels. For those seeking the top 5 solar panel for pop-up camper charging, this model earns its spot by offering real portability, water-resistant construction, and wide generator compatibility, all wrapped in a travel-friendly design. It solves the most common problem: how to stay powered without sacrificing space or peace of mind. With flexible connectors and a tough foldable frame, it's tested for on-the-go freedom, not just specs. While it lacks rigid framing, its performance in real-world use more than compensates. Ideal for serious campers who want reliable, fast solar energy without the hassle. Now, moving to the last one is Renogy's solar panel. Most solar panels fade under heat. Renogy's 250-watt bifacial panel thrives in it, making it a game changer for pop-up camper owners chasing sun-drenched adventures. With a jaw-dropping 25% efficiency and an 80% bifaciality factor, it quietly outperforms standard perk panels, giving you that extra burst of clean power right when you need it most. Campers often struggle with weak panels and hot climates, killing output. This one solves that with a low temperature coefficient that keeps energy flowing even in scorching heat. Compared to others in the top 5 solar panel for pop-up camper charging, Renogy delivers not only more watt power, but peace of mind with its IP68 durability, 16 BB technology, and future-proof reliability. It's perfect for serious off-grid users who want longevity and performance. performance, though beginners might find its power a bit overkill. Still, for seasoned travelers, it's a smart, tested investment that simply works. For unbeatable efficiency, lasting durability, and real-world power, Renogy solar panel stands out as the ultimate pick for campers. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 solar panel for a pop-up camper. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.